Wednesday. I went to 6 a.m. at 45 this morning, and now I'm on my way home. I can already tell it's going to be a beautiful day. But today's just going to be a normal Tuesday. I will be working, and then this evening, Mari and I are going to see Tomorrow by Together in Tacoma. So we're going to get dinner there and then just see the concert. So it's going to be a good day, and I'm very much looking forward to it. Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. I have just wrapped up the work day and gotten ready for the evening. I mentioned earlier, Mari and I are going to the Tomorrow by Together concert tonight in Tacoma, which I'm very excited for. We're gonna get dinner before and then go to the show. So this is what I'm wearing tonight. I have on my white little lace scarf. This is from Shinsa, as well as my pants, which I will show you in a little bit. But my black top is from Reformation. And then these are my new white cargo pants. I've had them for a little while, but I've just been scared to wear them. I just feel like I'm not cool enough to pull them off, but tonight is the night. So I'm wearing them today, and I have them on with my Nike V2K sneakers. And then I am gonna bring my black leather jacket for when it gets colder later. So gonna head out in a little bit. I'm very excited. It's gonna be a good Tuesday evening, but welcome to this week's vlog. I will see you later on in the week and at the concert.
Okay guys, let's go. 1, 2, hello, we're Tomorrow by Together.
Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I have just been out and about. I ran a few errands in Cap Hill and I'm walking home now, but I picked up a birthday present and I did some window shopping as well because it's just so nice outside. But I'm gonna go home and rest for a little bit, and then later this evening Aaron and I are going to New Village and we're gonna grab some dinner and just catch up. So it's gonna be a good evening, and as you can see, the weather's stunning. So that's all for now. Hey everyone, I am walking to F45 this morning, and tell me why I am now wearing a puffer. The nice weather has completely disappeared, but I'm very excited because today is actually perfect hot weather, and I'm going to meet Sarah later for dinner, and we're gonna go to Shaolin. Hello everyone, I have just gotten ready. I'm gonna go work in a coffee shop. I don't know what it is, but I am having a very hard time focusing at home today, so I think I just need to get out of the house, have a change of scenery, and go like regroup somewhere else. So this is what I'm wearing today. I have on this suede jacket. You guys have seen this before. This is the one I got in LA at the Silver Lake flea market. Underneath, I'm just wearing this two-toned baby tee from Madewell, and then I have paired the look with my Aritzia belt, my Uniqlo black skirt, and then I'm just wearing some tights and my Archive Poke booties. So this is my look. It's not very springy out today, but that is a-okay. And then I'm just carrying my Baggu Sandy Lean tote with all my work stuff. So I'm gonna go and I will talk to you all later. Good morning everyone, happy Friday. I woke up early this morning to get ready, and That is because we have a jam-packed day today. I do need to do some work. I am going to be working. It is a regular workday Friday, but there are a few things that I want to sprinkle on in there, and then it's going to be a fun evening. So this morning, Luke and I are going to pick up a new dining table from Facebook Marketplace, which I'm very excited for, and then I'm going to stop by the Maguire shoes pop-up event that's happening in downtown. I'm very excited to see their shoes in person, and I'm so thankful that they invited me to this. So those are my morning kind of plans aside from working. And then tonight I'm gonna go out to dinner to celebrate Genevieve's birthday, which I'm very much looking forward to and I'm very excited for. But for now, it's gonna be a good morning because I finally restocked on my favorite matcha. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this brand on here before, but Uniqlo Tea makes some of my favorite matcha ever. Specifically, the Ikuyo and the Sakaya are my two favorites. I'm pretty sure I've repurchased both of these like several times because they're just so good, and I feel like it's a really affordable like price for really high quality matcha. And this is not sponsored, I just love it so much. But I've been out of matcha for like the past week and I've been suffering because now that it's warm, all I want is like a nice cold drink in the morning. So I feel so happy to finally have my matcha back in my hands. So let's make a matcha latte together. I think this morning I'm feeling the Sakaya one, so that is the one that we are going to open up. But all I use for my matcha is the matcha, honey, you know I love my Manuka honey, and then I use an ounce of warm water, not hot. And as I've like refined my matcha latte making process, I've realized the less milk the better, because I really hate when my matcha just tastes like milk with like a little bit of matcha. So as I've, you know, learned what it is that I like, now I just kind of do like almost half the cup with milk, and then the rest is just my matcha concentrate that I've made. So I will show you what I do. This is my little matcha bowl that I got in Japan, and I love it. I think it's so cute. I have my little sifter, and then this little spoon. I can't remember where I got it, but it was when I ordered, I think I actually maybe got it from Uniqlo Tea when I first started ordering from them. But this is just my little matcha spoon. So I essentially will take like a heaping spoonful of the matcha. Sorry, I'm opening the bag for the first time. But I like it to be like a little, I like to be a little bit more generous with it. So let's do like this much. I don't know if you, I hope you guys can see that. But I just put it in the sifter, and then I use this part of the spoon to like sift it through. Then I will just take some honey. I kind of like to do, I don't know, this much. And then I just kind of, because the Manuka honey never has like a good spout, I just kind of have to use my fingers and like manually place it in the bowl. And then whatever's left on the spoon, I like to eat. Now I'm gonna take my 1 ounce of warm water and just dump it right in there. And then the key is to dampen your matcha whisk, which I've already done. And then I just go in and I whisk back and forth. And the key is not to do like the circular motions and really just stick to the back and forth. Today I'm gonna use my Snoopy Peanuts mug, and I'm going to use the Oatly Barista Edition oat milk. I do like to use the minor figure ones, but it's harder to find that at the grocery store, and I feel like it's very hit or miss when I see it, so this is the default. I'm going to pour it into my cup, and this is the moment when I say do not overdo it on the milk unless you really like milk. But I literally do like a little under half of, so it's only like up to here, because I am gonna put ice in it, and like I said, I really want to taste the matcha. But this is what it should look like. I guess maybe like foamy isn't, oh, I don't know how to show you that. Foamy isn't really the right word, more like frothy, I guess. But then I'm just gonna pour this into here, which is the most satisfying part. And then I do use my finger just to like get as much out of there as possible, because we don't want our precious matcha to go to waste. So I get in as much in there as I possibly can. I did spill a little bit, so I'm just gonna wipe the side. But then let's get our ice cubes. Unfortunately, I don't have an ice maker, so I use these trays, and it's always an arm workout. But we've got a few cubes, and I'm just gonna put them in there. And then the last thing I'll do is just mix it all up, and it should be the perfect green color and the perfect green flavor. So that is how I make my morning matcha. It tastes delicious, and now I'm gonna go start my work day. I am about to head out, and I wanted to quickly show you my outfit before I go. It is quite sunny, so I'm gonna wear my usual sunglasses, and then for my top I have on my favorite white Uniqlo baby tee. I'm wearing this navy knit like tank camisole top with a little bow. This is from brand Melville, and then because it is a little chilly, I wanted another layer, so I put on my Sezane like navy Gaspard cardigan. I'm carrying my Staud Alec bag, my tried and true. And then for my bottoms, I'm wearing this skirt pant set. This is from Beginning, and I have it paired with my Doc Marten shoes. So this is my look. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go head downtown, and I will see you all there. Picked up a birthday cake and finished running my errands. I got some drinkies for tonight. The cake is super cute, and I got these while I was there. They're just these little strawberry candies, so I thought we could try them together. Oh, they look interesting. Look like this. Can you even see that? That's good. It tastes like a strawberry fruit snack, but sweeter. But I'm gonna go home now, finish out the work day, do a little clean, take a shower, and get ready for this evening. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I've just been out and about. I went on a really nice long walk this morning to Volunteer Park, and then I went to the conservatory, which is something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. But I just went down to Sodo. I wanted to check out the Shop Crema pop-up. They had a really good vintage selection. I didn't get anything. There was nothing that was really calling to me and nothing that I really need, but I'm glad I got to stop by. I'm gonna go home now, and then later this evening we're gonna go to sushi with Luke's parents at Shiro's in Belltown, which I'm excited about. I've heard really good things about it, and I've never tried it. So it's a good Sunday. The weather's been so like weird, but it's really, really beautiful out now, so I want to soak it all up. But that is what's going on so far, and I will see you all this evening, probably at sushi.
Started off the Shiro.